with you here in the dark, feeling your heartbeat with mine. Softly you whisper, you're so sincere. How could our love be so blind? We settled together, we drifted apart, and here you are by my side. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, now I come to you with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here I am with open arms, hoping you see what your love means to me. Open up.